along the San Andreas Fault. And the reason for that is that we understand what the plate tectonic model is. But remember, we only had the plate tectonic model at the beginning of the 1970s. Okay? So I want to go back to the 1950s and the story of Bodega Head. This is Bodega Head. So this is the 1906 map of the San Andreas Fault. The red line on this map is the San Andreas Fault. So this is San Francisco. We're over here in Berkeley. This is Point Reyes. And then Bodega Head is another spit of land that sticks out into the ocean just north of Point Reyes. Okay? So in the mid-1950s, it was proposed that they build a nuclear power plant at that location. Does that sound like a good idea? Clearly, that's not a good idea. Okay? So why would they even think of building a nuclear power plant up at that particular location? So this is the 1950s. So of course, the 1906 earthquake had happened, and we have maps. This is a map from the report following the 1906 earthquake. It clearly shows the San Andreas Fault. So they knew the San Andreas Fault was there, but they still thought it was a safe place to put a nuclear power plant. And the reason they thought it was a safe place to put a nuclear power plant was that, so they knew the earthquake had occurred, it had ruptured the San Andreas Fault in this location, so it had released strain, it had released any built-up strain in the crust had been released by the 1906 earthquake. So that meant that it's a good place to build it because the strain is now gone. Right? Of course, what they were missing was the fact that the buildup of strain is an ongoing process. Plate tectonics tells us that. Plate tectonics tells us that the buildup of strain is due to the continual motion of these plates. And so it's not that you just sort of release the strain and you're okay for X millions of years. The strain is going to continue to build up. So seeing earthquakes in the past is a really good indicator that you're going to have earthquakes in the future. And we know that because we have plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a physical model. So in fact, they didn't build a nuclear power plant there, but it wasn't because of the earthquake hazard. It was actually because of other environmental concerns. This is a great example of why you need to have that physical mechanism, physical understanding behind observations like earthquakes. Because once you have that physical model, you can then more accurately predict what's going to happen in the future. So, for example, predicting that we are going to have another big earthquake on the San Andreas Fault at some point in the future. And so, of course, nobody would consider building a nuclear power plant on the San Andreas Fault today. Okay, I'm sorry I've run over a little bit. Thank you for your attention. Remember, on Thursday, please gather outside and wait to be brought into the room.